Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to WA Reviews YouTube channel. Guys, today we will unbox Elora rechargeable hair trimmer, which model is ELPC6102. So today we will unbox this trimmer. It's a very cheap trimmer. I buy this one from local market. This trimmer available almost all Middle East countries. So let's check what is the inside the box. Here written some specification. It's some multi-directional blades, waterproof, rechargeable battery. This trimmer almost in $10. So in $10 you are getting this much. So we will open the box and check what is the inside the box. After that we will talk about the specification of this trimmer. So guys, as you can see, in front we will find this warranty card, and here is written it's 1 year warranty for this trimmer. This is the manual of Elora ELPC 6102 in Arabic and English language. It's a Chinese brand made in China. So inside the box we found one trimmer. This is the trimmer, 4 comb, 3 mm, 6 mm, 9 mm and 12 mm. So 4 comb available in this box, 1 cleaning brush for clean your blades, 1 oil bottle to oil up your trimmer, and 1 charging cable. Its charging is 220 volt AC. This cable coming with 10 ampere fuse. So let's explore more about this trimmer. As you can see on the back side, Elora logo mentioned, and its model is ELPC 6102, 220 to 240 volt, 50-60 Hz, 3 watt. So its charging voltage is 220 to 240 and 3 watt. Made in China brand. This trimmer, it's a fixed trimmer. This is the power on off button, and this LED is showing you the status of charging. For up side push, your trimmer will on, downside off. So let's check the charging of this trimmer. We will open this cable. Its cable length is almost 1 meter. So look like 1 meter cable. So we will check. So I connect this cable on charging, and you need to push this. You can see when I connect on charging, this red LED on, so it's mean this trimmer in charging mode. And good thing about this trimmer, if you have an emergency work and there is no charging on your trimmer, so you can use on power this trimmer. Without battery backup, you can direct use with AC line, this charging line, you can use this trimmer. So this is the trimmer, this is the charging. Back side have charging AC points. Be careful when charging. Now let's talk the specification of this trimmer. This trimmer have stainless steel blades, push type switch, indicator light, rechargeable battery. It's a waterproof trimmer and multi-directional blades. For comb setting, you can put any comb easily like this, and back side have lock. Like this you can put any comb on this trimmer, and from pushing this side you can remove. Like this we can use another comb like this. Very easily you can connect and disconnect the comb of this trimmer. So let's check the result of this trimmer. I will show you. You can see my hair here. So very smooth cutting of this trimmer. It's using time, you cannot feel the pain on your skin, so easily it will cut your hairs. So without any hesitation you can use this trimmer because it will not hurt you. So it's a very cheap trimmer, not very expensive. It's just in between $10. So guys, if you like the video, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, like the video, share with your friends, and keep watching guys. See you in next video. Take care. Bye.